Back in 2019, a Detroit engineer said something shocking on Quora. When I designed engine parts, we proved they would last 150,000 kilometers. No more, no less. Not 300,000 miles. Just enough to survive the warranty. NHTSA data confirms it. Average cars get scrapped at 152,137 miles. Even the Toyota Sequoia, the toughest vehicle made, only 1.5% reach 300,000 miles. The best car in the world fails 98.5% of the time. Right now, your timing chain, transmission, and turbo are counting down to failure together. Perfect maintenance cannot save you. In the next few minutes, discover why most cars never reach 300,000 and what separates the rare survivors. The 150,000-mile secret. Deep inside, every automaker sits a number defining how long your car should last. It is not 300,000 miles. A Detroit engineer revealed on Quora. We proved parts would last 150,000 kilometers. No more, no less. That is about 93,000 miles. Most components are designed in 30,000-mile blocks, targeting 5 to 6 blocks total. That equals 150,000 to 180,000 miles maximum. EPA regulations confirm it. Full useful life is 10 years or 120,000 to 150,000 miles. Over-engineering costs money, so manufacturers design parts to last exactly as long as the warranty requires. At 150,000 miles, timing chains, transmissions, turbos, and electronics all reach end of life together. The cascade begins there. The timing chain time bomb. The timing chain keeps your engine's pistons and valves from crashing into each other. Timing belts need replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, costing $1,500 to $3,000. Timing chains last longer, 150,000 plus miles, but their tensioners fail at 100,000 to 150,000 miles. When they fail in interference engines, pistons collide with valves. $3,000 to $8,000 in damage, often more than the car is worth. Think of a conductor keeping musicians in time. If the conductor stops, everything crashes at thousands of RPM. Many believe chains are lifetime, but tensioners fail at 150,000 miles. One skip destroys the engine, but your transmission waits at the same threshold. The transmission death spiral. Your transmission is the second most expensive component, costing $5,193 to $9,143 to replace. Reddit Subaru owners report CVT failures, clustering at 115,000 to 150,000 miles, exactly within design life. With 30,000-mile fluid changes, CVTs reach 150,000 plus miles. Neglected ones fail at 60,000 miles. Modern CVTs achieve better MPG but have shorter lifespans than traditional automatics. The trade-off? 35 miles per gallon today, $7,000 transmission at 140,000 miles. At 150,000 miles, valve bodies wear, solenoids fail, clutch packs degrade, all simultaneously. This repair often triggers the economic death spiral that kills vehicles. But transmissions are not alone. Turbochargers face the same timeline. The turbo ticking clock. Modern engines use turbochargers to boost power while reducing fuel. But turbos spin at 100,000 plus RPM, in temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees. Garrett Motion confirms turbos last 150,000 kilometers, about 93,000 miles. Less than 1% fail from defects. 99% from oil issues. Replacement costs $2,102 to $2,474. Turbo failures rarely happen alone. They occur alongside transmission wear and timing chain stretch. The turbo bill is just the first of many, but mechanical failures are only part of it. Electronics at a whole new risk. The electronic graveyard. Modern vehicles contain over 100 electronic modules, each with 0.1% annual failure rate. Multiply that across 100-plus modules over 10 years. Haggerty warns, failed electronics kill cars more quickly than rust. Unlike mechanical parts, electronics fail suddenly. No warning, and there is no maintenance preventing electronic failure. Consumer Reports 2025 shows electrical issues among top 5 repair trends. Worse yet, replacement parts become unavailable after 10 to 15 years. A $500 module can kill a vehicle if it cannot be sourced. Even perfect maintenance cannot stop corrosion eating vehicles from inside. The rust reality. In northern states where roads are salted, vehicles face an enemy maintenance cannot defeat: corrosion. Manufacturer rust warranties cover only 5 to 7 years. After that, frame rust becomes your problem. Toyota's famous frame recall for 2000 to 2003 trucks only covered Salt Belt states. Even they could not stop it. Identical cars in Arizona last years longer than Minnesota. Where you live determines how long your car survives. But understanding failure is only half. The economics explain why owners abandon cars. The economic death spiral. When major components fail, owners face brutal math. A 200,000-mile car is worth $2,000 to $5,000, according to Kelley Blue Book. Transmission replacement costs $5,193 to $9,143. Engine replacement costs $6,861 to $7,357. The repair exceeds the car's entire value. Industry standard. Repairs exceeding 75% of value equals economic total loss. But here is the worst part. At 150,000 miles, multiple components fail simultaneously. Fix the transmission today. Timing chain fails next month. Then the turbo. Then electronics. The rare survivors. IC Cars analyzed 400 million vehicles. Only 1% reach 200,000 miles. Just 1.5% of Toyota Sequoias reach 300,000 miles. The best vehicle made. Survivors share specific traits: naturally aspirated engines, traditional automatic transmissions, body-on-frame construction, and living outside salt states. Modern turbos, CVTs, and complexity eliminate these durability margins. The 1990s Toyota Land Cruisers were over-engineered when reliability mattered most. Today's cars prioritize efficiency over longevity. The pool of potential survivors is shrinking. Why do some brands consistently outlast others? Each repair drains money for the next failure. What separates the rare survivors that reach 300,000? The brand divide. Toyota vehicles have a 17.8% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. Honda achieves 10.8%. Industry average, just 4.8%. This is not luck. It is engineering philosophy. Toyota designs for 250,000 plus miles, while others target 150,000. German luxury, BMW 10-year maintenance costs $15,600 versus Toyota's $6,000. More complexity means more failures. Toyota favors simple, naturally aspirated engines over turbos. Boring but reliable. Even the best brand needs perfect maintenance. But what does that really mean? The maintenance paradox. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Good maintenance extends life to design targets, not beyond them. AAA shows 1/3 of Americans skip maintenance. The Zebra reports 20% neglect critical fluids. But even perfect maintenance faces the same 150,000-mile design limits. Simply Fleet proves maintenance offers 545% ROI, but only within design windows. Standard maintenance reaches design life. Aggressive maintenance, 30,000-mile transmission services, early timing chain replacement, might exceed it. Carfax shows 30+ million cars are overdue for oil changes right now. Everything leads to one ultimate truth about the 300,000 myth. Most cars never reach 300,000 miles because they were never designed to. The 150,000-mile design threshold, the simultaneous component failures, the economic death spiral, all create a system where extreme longevity is the exception, not expectation. Good maintenance helps reach design limits. It cannot overcome them. The 300K Club requires right engineering, right environment, right maintenance, right luck. Only 1.5% of the best vehicles achieve it. Perhaps 300,000 miles was never reasonable. Just a marketing myth causing guilt. The car reaching 160,000 miles is not failure. It is success within design parameters. This knowledge transforms frustration into strategy. You came wondering why cars never reach 300,000 miles and discovered the engineering truth manufacturers hide. The 150,000-mile design threshold, the simultaneous failure cascade, the economic death spiral. These are not maintenance flaws. They are system features. If this truth changed your thinking, hit that like button. Subscribe for more automotive insights protecting your wallet. Share with anyone blaming themselves for 150,000 failures. It was never their fault. What is your highest mileage achieved? What brand? What killed it? Drop your answer below. The 300K Club is exclusive for a reason.